So this is US oil analysis for Wednesday, the 7th of February. Now, let's have a look what have been priced and where prices may likely go. So previously we saw the pretty big sell-off from the sitting around 66.20. We saw this move downwards, found some support over the 400 period moving average, had a brief move back up towards the 65.60, had a sell side momentum, pulse a lower high, had a very strong sell side momentum, take us beneath this 63.76 essentially. And we've come down into this zone where we are at present. So how prices are developing at present now. On the S6 we've had the price come down towards that 63, slightly below 63.40, so in around the 63.30. We've had a move upwards towards this very important level of 63.76. Trade above it, we had a sell side momentum come back into the market. We didn't quite trade down towards the very next major level that we are looking at in around the 63.05. We traded pretty much as low as let's just have a quick look to see how low we traded. Trade as low as 63.10, so within 5 cents of the very important level of 63.05. What we did see was a bullish buy side momentum take us back above the 64 level, all the way up to 64.20. And again, we've saw the sell side momentum take us back down towards our 63.30, 63.40. Now, we do appear to be putting in a bit of a base here. We've got our low there, we've got a low, got a slightly lower low there. Potentially, this might seem like so not ideal. May possibly be an inverted head and shoulders here. So we've got a shoulder, head, shoulder, potentially a bullish price pattern for upside momentum. And what we can say from here is with this base forming around this 63.30, I suppose we could disregard possibly this 63.10. So in around 63.30, 63.40. Pretty much as long as we continue to maintain above this, there is a slight, we seem to be forming a bit of a base around this area where we could potentially see further buy side momentum come into the market. But what we are looking for further buy side momentum is if we do hold this 63.76. It is a level that we have seen buy side momentum coming to the market from previously. Pretty strong buy side momentum from essentially from that 64 all the way up to the 66 from this 63.76 level. So if we do hold 63.76, we are looking for bullish buy side momentum to come into the market, possibly heading up towards our 400 period moving average, sitting just slightly below the 64.60. So we'd probably say in around 64.50. A break off that 400 period moving average, we are looking for price head up towards that 64.76 again. It is a minor level somewhat, but we have seen prices oscillate and consolidate in around that level. We've previously found support in and around that 64.76. We could potentially see some sell side momentum in the market from the 64.76, possibly bringing us back down towards that 64.20 or 63.76. If, however, we do successfully break above the 64.76, we are looking to see our price track towards the 200 period moving average, currently sitting at 165, a break from which we're looking for price head towards that 65.60. Well, it is pretty volatile, so we may go above the 65.60. So the very next level that we are looking at to the upside, if we do successfully break 65.60, is all the way up at the 66.20 level that we have seen some sell side momentum come into the market previously. Now, if we do break down from where we are at present and we are not able to hold potentially the 63.30 or so, let's just get this scaling on here changed. So if we aren't able to hold it in around the 63.30, in around the 63.30 or the 63.05, we are looking for price head down towards that 62.54. It is a major level marked out in red, so I would potentially expect some consolidation or potential bounce up towards that 63.05 or possibly up to that 63.30. If, however, we do see that sell side momentum take us below this 62.54, we are looking for the very next major level all the way down at 61.48. And again, around 61.48, we are looking for a potential bounce up towards that 62.54, as it is a major level marked out here in red. And with that said, that pretty much wraps up the US oil analysis. Thanks for watching.